Tell me where you were.
Let go of that me.
Not until you answer me.
I said let go.
Talk. Where do you think you're going? Where?
Me, Daniel. I said let go.
You think you're too good for me. You always think you're too good for everybody.
We can't understand you anyway. Why did they even hire someone like you? Continue. I want to hear this presentation. Why does she need a translator?
The algorithm is on the screen. The data is clear.
Hello, my amazing people. That video you just watched is not done with any special software or any producer or any movie crew or cast. That video was done with what? AI tools. So in today's video, I am going to be teaching you the exact way to achieve that massive and beautiful result. If you are wondering why people are eager to teach you how to start using AI in this 2026, it's not by just content creation. It's just by telling you that you have to wake up and start making money, because God has given us the internet for us to leverage on. If you are just sleeping, if you are just starting out, wake up and start now. Okay, you can listen to this amazing, wonderful person, how much she has made from YouTube.
Let me show you one of my channels that have done over 80 million naira on YouTube. So come. It is a live dashboard. So you can see the live dashboard. This is not a screenshot. You can see now it's still in dollars. It's still showing $12,000. So let's change it to Nigerian naira. You can actually change it to any currency of your choice. So now let us change it to naira. So you go to the settings and change it to, okay, you can see now it's in USD dollar. Okay, so we're going to be changing it to naira now. Okay, so you can see now you can actually change it to any currency of your choice. So let's look for Nigerian naira. So this is Nigerian naira. We're going to click on it, okay, and save it. So we're going to be saving it now. Okay, so let's go back and see how much that we've made. Ooh, you can see over 18 million.
The funny thing there is that it's not only for YouTube. You can upload this type of videos on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and make a whole lot of money. You can even learn how to do it and get paid. Ask people that you can do it. People will pay you for doing this part of this kind of job that I'm teaching you now. If you learn it, people will pay you for video editing. Okay, so we have a lot of means for you to start making money using AI skills. If you are still sleeping over it, please stop sleeping. So I would like you to follow this video bomber to bomber, this channel bomber to bomber, because I'm going to be taking you a gradual step by step for you to do that. We have done creation of what? YouTube accounts. We have done it. If you have not watched it, click on the video link that you are going to see pumping out around this thing. Watch how to create your YouTube channel, how to optimize it, how to make your videos to target the right audience. When you have done that, then you come over to this video, watch how to create these videos, and voila, you are good to go. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you how to do what? Develop your story idea, generate your image prompt, and also generate the image for your characters, making them what? Consistent, because that's the beauty of what? Your video. Make your characters to be what? To be consistent, and not this one will be like black and this one will be like India, this one will be like Chinese. So no, but in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make your videos, your characters to look the same, their facial expression to be the same, and all that. Then I'm going to be also teaching you how to make your images, turn it to what? To videos, and also make them to talk. Okay, then for people that are into Afro-Korean stories or African folktale that are facing what? Demonetization, this video is for you. Watch how to edit properly, how to make your video to be what? To be very beautiful from the very beginning. Maybe 2 to 3, 4, 5 minutes of your video is going to be engaging with what? Dialogues. So you are going to see the way I'm going to prompt my AI to give me what? My first chapter, that's chapter 1, to be what? To be like a movie scene, and you will see how I'm going to generate my images to make it to look like a movie scene, then compile it together with an editing app, and you will get an amazing result. After you have done your first chapter with like a movie scene, then the other ones, your chapter 2, your chapter 3, and your chapter 4, because I'm going to be doing it in 4 chapters. Your chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4 is going to be like a narrator. You give it to what? A voiceover to do the job for you. So in this video, I am going to be teaching you how to do the first chapters. Make your video to talk, so that this video is not going to be long. So I'm going to be taking you on a gradual process. Bring out your pen, write down things, write out the apps that I'm using, how I did it. Do not create for now. Just listen to the video, listen again, then you start creating. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into today's video. First of all, choose your niche. If you are to do Afro-Korean folk tales, the same pattern. So listen and listen well. Okay, so I'm going to be using 2 chat box for this video. The first one is ChatGPT and the second one is Cloud AI. I'm going to tell you why I don't like using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an amazing chat box to use, but if you are using the free version of ChatGPT, you will notice that your content might not be consistent. Your chapter 1 might be different from your chapter 2, then your chapter 2 might be different from your chapter 3, then your chapter 3 might be different from your chapter 4. That's why I don't advise you using the free version of ChatGPT. So if you're using the free version of ChatGPT, please be careful with the consistency of your content. But if you don't have money for you to pay for ChatGPT Pro, I'll advise you to use the second chat box that I'm going to show you right away. I'm going to show you the 2, then you make your choice. I'm going to make my choice too. Okay, first thing you have to do is for you to have your story idea. That's the first thing you have to do. Why do I say that you have to have your story idea? Have your story idea so for you to be unique, to avoid inauthentic content that is going around YouTube of today. So have your story idea. Tell your AI to use this name for you, so that they will not give you a generic names like Zara, Marcos, Amara, and all these generic names that AI do produce. So you give your AI the names that you want your characters to bear. Okay, so that's why you advise your AI, give your AI story idea. It can be 50 words, it can be 100 words. Then your AI will now develop it to proper word story. So as you can see, I have given my AI instruction on what to do for me. This is my story idea. Her name is Lucy Matthew from South Africa, 25 years old. She's very beautiful and curvy, very intelligent, but not good at keeping relationship because men see her as someone who is not humble, and so on and so forth. The major thing here is for you to check out the prompt. Okay, I'm going to show you the prompt properly. You first of all do you copy it down, copy everything down. Please do not rush this video. If you rush this video, you are going to miss out something. So you copy it down, you head over to ChatGPT. After you have copied your story idea, you can say it with your mouth. You can also type anyone you prefer. Then you go to ChatGPT, paste in there. Okay, so I've pasted my prompt there. You click on send. Okay, so this is my prompt. This is the prompt that I gave ChatGPT. You can pause it and copy it down somewhere, so you will see the prompt that I'm giving ChatGPT. So this is the prompt. So like I told ChatGPT to give me a dramatic title with keywords Korean doctor and black girl in it. Okay, so see the title ChatGPT gave us: the silent Korean doctor and the black girl who broke the curse. So what I want you to know is that your story is in your prompt. The way you direct your AI is the way your AI is going to respond. If you don't direct your AI very well, you are going to make mistake. So like I told you, that is only my chapter 1 that is going to be that is going to be dialogues. Then my chapter 2 is going to be written in third person point of view, so that is not going to be tedious. After you have done all this video led, your chapter 2, your chapter 3, and chapter 4 is going to be narrated using a special AI tools that I'm going to introduce by the end of this video. So this is our chapter 1. As you can see, is in scenes and dialogues. Okay, so this is our chapter 2. Okay, as you can see, chapter 2 is what? Third person what? Point of view. Okay, is third person point of view. Like I told you, read your words, your ChatGPT content. If it is not consistent, please use the second AI that I'm going to introduce to you. So ChatGPT have given us the 4 chapters. So this is the last chapter, chapter 4. Let's go to the AI that I'm going to introduce to you again. It's called what? Cloud AI. Okay, if you have not signed in, it's very simple. Sign in with your Google account and you are good to go. I'm going to paste the same prompt that I gave ChatGPT. Okay, I'm going to do that just now and send it. So we wait for it to give us the content, then we continue. You see almost the same title because I gave it the instruction on how to give me the title. Almost the same title, but not the same word, the same beginning. So we make use of the one that we prefer. For me, I'll go with this this one. I'll go with this particular AI. I'm going to go with this particular AI because it's one of the best. Although people should not come for me, but I know that this cloud AI is one of the best. As you can see, the results is given to us. So we are going to come back to continue after it has generated. Okay. So this is the results I got from what? Cloud AI. Okay. So all you have to do is for you to copy it down. You copy it, like I told ChatGPT and Cloud to give AI to give me what the first chapter in what scenes and others in third person point of view. So that's what I have done here. So I'm going to copy it down. I'll copy it and paste it in my Google Docs. I have pressed it in my Google Docs. What you have to do is for you to remove all these extras. Please try to remove it. You go to the 3 dots, find and replace. Okay. Then you replace all with nothing. Okay. So in my second video, you will see why I'm removing all these things, because if you don't remove it, AI will be saying it. AI will be reading out your story and be saying exteris, exteris. So you have to remove everything. Remove the exteris and even the anyone that have this hash. You remove it, okay? So, but that's not what you are to do in this video. I'm going to be teaching you how to do what? How to create the images and how to make your image talk. So I'm going to be saving this. I'll save it here. Then I'm going to be using what? Image prompts. So that's the beauty. You have to do what? You have to make your images consistent. The way I'm going to direct my AI is going to determine how consistent my characters are going to be. So I'm going to be directing it. So watch out how I'm going to be doing that. So this is my prompt for what? Character image generation. So I'm going to copy it again. Then go to the AI that I'm using. You are going to paste this under the same prompt that you have been using before, the one that generated the story for you. Do not make mistake to give it to another AI to do for you, because the AI will be confused. So you paste it here. This is the prompt that I'm giving it. So I'm going to be telling it to generate for only the first chapters because of the video. I don't want this video to be long. So give me, okay, like I said, hi buddy, I love the story and how you have broken it into dialogue scenes. Now I would like you to generate image prompt for me to use in creating the video. Okay, so based on the story content, give me a detailed prompt to generate image per scene of my chapter 1. Chapter 1 only for now. Okay, give me 5 images. Okay, for it. Okay. Okay, I just put this one now so that just direct your AI the way it's gonna suit you. So for this one, I'm going to be using what? Give me prompt for what? Ultra realistic picture that is human-like. Okay, so I'm giving what? Human-like images. So I'm going to be getting what? Only for what? For the chapter 1 prompts. Okay, we are going to be doing it gradually, because if you do it in bulky you are going to be tired. So let's do it one at a time. So as you can see, it has given us the chapter with AI image prompts for character guide. You use this description consistently across the whole prompt. So I'm going to be telling you how to do that without keying in all the prompts for the characters individually. So what you have to do is for you to what? To copy this one, copy this, then you head over to your software called, not software, sorry, the website called Whisk AI. So we are going to be use this Whisk AI. If you have not signed in, you sign in. So I'm going to be signing in. After you have signed in, you are going to be seeing the interface like this. So you go to, remember where you are going to go. You are going to go to labs.google/fx. Okay. Then after you have done that, you log in. If you have not logged in, you sign up. If you have not signed up, then you click on what? Launch Whisk. It's going to take us on this what? Interface, enter tool. So you click on enter tool. Okay, so this is the interface that you are going to get. Okay, then you go over to add images. Click on add images. Remember, we are targeting what? YouTube. If you are targeting YouTube, you go to this second icon. Okay, this second icon that has square, portrait and landscape. Because we are using what? We are targeting YouTube video, we are using what? Landscape. Okay, you click on landscape. Then if you are targeting TikTok, you use what? Portrait. If you are targeting Facebook Reel, you use what? Portrait. So YouTube, you target what? The landscape. Okay, then you click on this add images. If you have a reference image that you want AI to work for you on, you click on this upload image. Okay, if you have it, you go to media picker. I don't know how your phone is, but it's different, so it was almost the same thing. You click on image picker and pick the image and upload. But for this one, I'm not using any reference image. I want to generate my own image. So you click on this pencil icon and press in your word, the prompt that you got from what? From AI. So you click on generate. Okay, while it is generating, we go over to the second one, which is the what? The male lead. So this one, a 30-year-old. Okay, remember we are dealing with the subjects. So if you have 3 subjects, 4 subjects, you click on this plus sign over here. Okay, we are not using scene here. Use on the plus sign to get the second one. You paste in your prompt here for our words, our male lead. Then you head over to copy for the antagonist, the third person. Okay, if there are 4, you continue like that. Okay. Okay, so we copy for Daniel. Then you click on this plus sign again to input the third one for Daniel. Then you click on generate. The beauty of this Whisk AI is Whisk AI. Even if you are using the free version, you have unlimited image generation for one account. If you exhaust your Google account, you use another Google account, okay? Then for video generating, there is limitation, only 5 per account. That's all. So when you have gotten this, you see that all of them are being checked, okay? If you want to make only these two to be in one scene, you unshake this one. Then if you want only one person to be here there, you shake this. So after you have done that, okay, let's look at our scene, our first scene, to see what is there. So this is our first one, the confrontation. Daniel grabbing what? Lucy's wrist inside the dark apartment. You see, that means we are using what? Lucy and Daniel. So you click on copy everything. This is for prompt 1. You copy it. Then remember, we are dealing with the female lead and the antagonist, Daniel. So you click on this X sign. So it's going to bring you to this interface. Then you paste in your prompt. Okay. Then you click on send. Okay. So it's going to give us 2 images. You pick the best. Okay. The best, or at times one is going to be, you see, they gave us only one. So we pick this one. Okay. You download it. Download. Then you go to the second one. The second one says Lucy running barefoot through a dark, rainy street at night. That means only Lucy is here. Okay, so this is for only word Lucy. So uncheck the words this person, remove him. Okay, you paste in what? The second word. Okay, then generate. You see, it's still giving us what? The consistent look. Look at it, it's still the same thing. Okay, like I said, I gave it to be what? To be very curvy. So I will take this brighter one. You choose any one you want. I'm taking the brighter one. So then the third prompt, remember I told AI to give me 5 for the first chapter. The third one, De Young walking into examination room, Lucy seeing him for the first time. Okay, so we use this. But after this one, we are done with this. Okay, because the video is getting long. So you select all and paste this one. Like they said, this one is going to enter now. The male lead is going to enter. So you click on this, you generate. Okay, with these 3 now, we are going to make out something. Okay, so this is the second prompt. As you can see, we still maintain the words, the consistency. We still maintain the consistency. If you want AI to generate something similar to the clothes the person is wearing, you have to go and add image, add another subject, click on upload image, then pick the image while she was running. We are going to be making use of this for the tutorial. So if you keep on generating, you calm down because all these things, they are work. So without wasting much of our time, let's go into making them to talk. Okay, we head over to Grok. I have the app on my phone already. So you click on imagine, not ask. Okay, with this now, you upload you click on animate photos. When you click on this animate photo, you choose the image that you want to animate. Then you move over while it's downloading. You move over to your story. You now copy. Okay, so you copy this, Daniel. Remember that it's 6 seconds video for free version. If you have money, you can pay for the paid version. That one 10 seconds. So you click what? Only the word, the conversation, and not the write-up. Okay, then you go to Grok and you type to customize the video. So this is what Grok has given to us, but that's not what we want. We want Grok to say what we want. Okay, so I have given it the prompt to say that. So I'm going to tell it to say it in what? South African accent. Then you click on send. You wait for it to reach what? 100%. And with that, by the special grace of God, if there's no mistake, voila, that's how to get your images done. Okay,
All we do what you see, nothing without me.
are
Nothing.
you seeing
You
it?
think you can just walk away from me? Who do you think you are?
Let that come me.
All we do what you see, nothing without me.
Okay.
Nothing. You think you can just walk away from me? Who do you think you are?
Let that come me.
All we do what you see, nothing without me. Nothing.
Okay.
You think you can just walk away from
So
me?
we
Who do you think
save.
you are?
Let that
We
come
have
me.
All
gotten
we
it.
do what you see, nothing without me. Nothing.
Okay,
You think you can just
so
walk away
we
from
have
me?
saved this.
Who do you think you are?
Okay, so for us to continue the story the way it is, you select this, copy this. He shovels her into the wall. A picture frame crashes to the floor. Lucy slides down slowly, holding her side. She looks up at him, not with fear, with something worse, rage. Okay, so we are going to
You think you can just walk away from me?
stretch this. Okay, screenshot this part. Okay, so after you have screenshot it, you go over to your gallery, work on it, edit it. Okay, so edit it like this, then you save. You save it, then you go back to Grok, again. Animate photo, remember the one that we screenshotted, then you place it here, then you click on customize video, you send it again, it will start regenerating again. So let's see what it's going to look like. Okay, that's how you continue your stories. So you read the next one. The next one says, Lucy whispering like a promise, one day you will regret this. Okay, so you copy this. You copy this one, then you head over
You think you
again.
can just walk away?
Okay,
You tell me, do man.
you screenshot again. You just want to get a continuous word series. Okay, then you edit it right away. Edit it. Okay, so you download. Okay, so I believe you understand what I'm doing here. You go back again, animate photo. So you click on customize again, then you paste in the next one. Okay, so this is it. You customize again. Okay, so I believe that by now we have gotten something tangible. I cannot keep on doing it because, as you can see, is a long process. Okay, it's a very long process, but if you can get a hold of it, that means you are good to go. You will avoid your channel being demonetized and for inauthentic content. Okay.
One day you will regret this. Say that again, I dare you. One day you...
Okay, I have done the downloads. We are going to be heading over towards our editing app to combine everything together. Okay.
So for the editing app, I will be making use of CapCut. You can choose to use any other editing app, but CapCut is one of the best to use. So you click on create, okay, then you select based on the first one. This is the first one we generated.
Tell me the truth.
So you add. When you add, you make sure that you stretch it. For me, this is the way I do my own, so that the seconds is going to be longer. I will reduce it to 0.7. Okay, so this is the
Tell me the truth.
how it's looking.
I don't know what you mean.
If you don't like
You're
it,
lying.
you can increase it a little bit to 0.8. Okay, so this is it.
Tell me the truth.
I don't know what you mean.
Okay,
You're lying. Get away from me.
so then you now duplicate so that we are going to use the same thing. We replace, then the second one. Okay,
You think you can...
okay, so this is
Me.
it.
You think you can just walk away from me? Who do you think you are?
Let that at me.
Oh, all you do what
Okay.
they see and nothing without.
Duplicate again, then you replace again, the last one.
You think you can just walk... At least see nothing without me. Nothing. You think you can just walk away?
The last one you replace again. Okay, so this is it.
One day you will regret this.
Say that again, I dare you.
So to remove this, you just pinch it in, pinch this in. Okay, all right. So for the logo, channel logo, you use text. Okay, if the name of your logo or channel is UBA, okay, UBA, you style it. Okay, then you can place it somewhere here so that people will not copy your story. This is for your channel logo. You place it somewhere here. Then for the sticker, you put subscribe button somewhere down here.
Tell...
Okay, this is for YouTube. You place it here, then you drag it to the end. You drag it to the end. So for this place now, you put this thing here. Okay. So
Tell me the truth.
I don't know what you mean.
drag your logo so that some people will not copy your story. Okay.
Tell me the truth.
I don't know what you mean.
You're lying. Get away from me. You think you can just walk away from me? Who do you think you are?
Let that at me.
Oh, all you do what they see and nothing without me. Nothing. You think you can just walk away?
One day you will regret this.
Say that again, I dare you.
Okay, so this is it. So after you have done this now, you can now export. Okay, like I told you that there are several ways to do this. And today is the end of this particular video. The next video I'm going to be explaining how to use narrator's voiceover and add to your video. Until then, see you in my next video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, you are delaying. Subscribe for more information. Hit on the bell notification to get notified when I upload an important videos. Okay. So this is the end result, 100%. Then you click on done. That's that.